Oh, look at what we have here. We have a live account up trading a live account. Look what we have. Isn't that just crazy? A live account up showing live trades. It's just amazing. It's unbelievable. Live trades in a live account. Gosh, no way. No way. Say it isn't so. Trades in a live account. Can actually do that. I'm reading one of the streams. Why did your first trade hit break even? Because you don't know how to trade. Um, why did your trade hit break even? Because you like to sell bottoms. I don't know. Maybe just maybe that. Maybe just maybe that. Because you like to sell bottoms. You really like bottoms. Well, thank you that the sound is okay. I appreciate that. Maybe you got stopped out of your trade because you like to sell bottoms. This is so hilarious. Look at this. Look at this. Why did your trade hit break even? Because you like to sell bottoms. Right there. Why did your trade hit break even? Because you like to sell at the bottom. They were selling this right here, and that's a bottom. No matter what people want to say, they tried to sell this right here. That's called a bottom, and you tried to sell a bottom. Why weren't you selling up here? Why weren't you selling up here? Why weren't you selling up here? Tried to sell a bottom, and you lost. You sold right into a major support level. That's why you lost, because you don't know how to trade. It's pretty simple. Pretty simple. You lost because you don't know how to trade. I mean, I don't know what else to tell you. You tried to sell the GJ at a major support level, and you failed. But no, we don't sell bottoms and buy tops. No, we don't do that. We don't sell bottoms and buy tops. That's exactly what you do, actually. That's exactly what you do. You sell bottoms. Will someone go in there and tell controller that I love him? Would someone go in there to his stream, Illusions, or someone just go into controller FX stream and tell him that I love him? This is why you lose. This is why you lose, and this is why you lost on the trading nut challenge. And this is why you will never trade with your account showing, because you sell these bottoms right here. That's what they tried to do. They sold the bottom right here, and they lost, or they broke even. They tried to sell a bottom. They didn't wait for it to break below and then pull back to that bottom. They just sell it right there, and that's why they lost. And that's why you'll never see him trade with a live terminal or live account up. You'll never see a terminal down here with live trades, because the one time he's had to show a live account, live trading on the Trading Nut Challenge, it was a colossal failure. But yeah, he's 85% accurate. Like he says he's 85% accurate. Yep. Right. Right. Yeah. We believe that, bud. Yeah. There you go. He does. He provides the liquidity for me. I mean, he provides a lot of things for everybody. I mean, let's just, again, let's just go look at the Trading Nut Challenge. I mean, we don't even have to do anything other than look at his Trading Nut Challenge, right? And we can just go look at his Trading Nut Challenge, which was a colossal disaster. Again, guys, every time these people have to trade in a public domain where they can't hide behind TradingView, they get destroyed on these things. Every time they have to do it. Here's the Trading Nut Challenge. Right there, you start out with 10,000. and he ends up at 9,700 and a little, right? Every time you have to show history. Right there it is, right there. Okay, don't take my word for it. Look at the account. You start at you start at 10,000, and the balance is 9,775. Right there. Anytime you have to trade it, you can't hide behind TradingView, and you have to try and trade the way that they trade. You're going to lose. There's not been one person, I don't think, that on that trading nut challenge that has traded that way that has done really well. Those are just the facts. Again, those are just the facts, whether you like them or not. I mean, again, don't take my word for it. That's just the bottom line. That's just the bottom line. I mean, you can say it as you can talk as much as you want about all the fancy stuff you do when you're hiding behind TradingView. You can't. What do you guys see on my stream right now? What do you see? Gah, illusions. What do you see there? Do you see a live account showing there? Do you see a live account? Is that a live account right there? I mean, correct me if I'm wrong, but that's a live account that's showing on my stream right now, right? I'm pretty sure that's a live account that's showing on my stream. I couldn't sleep at all last night. It was 5:40 in the morning. I was restless pretty much all night. Again, or do the opposite, right? It's always funny because what am I saying that's not true? What am I saying that's not true? You can't do this. You can't go after these people. You can't. You can't go after these people. Do whatever the hell I want. First of all, I mean the proof is right there. The proof is in the pudding, as you would say. Proof is in the pudding. Every time they have to trade in front of an audience, they have to trade where they can't hide behind TradingView. It's a colossal failure. It's real. That's a real account there, Tiger. It's a real account there. That there's a real account. There's a real account, and there's no rule that says you can't do that. I would really actually like to get Premier Auto in here. I would literally, if someone can get Premier Auto in here from Controller FX stream, I will literally get them. I will literally send them $50 on PayPal. You need to go in there and say Premier Auto in Controller FX stream. Iron Man wants you in his stream right now. Someone will do that, and they'll get him. If they get him in here, I'll give him $50. I'll PayPal you $50 if you can get him in here. $50 if you can. You have to get him in here though. I'll PayPal you $50 if you go into there and tell him that Premier Auto that I want his sorry ass in here. Tell him I want his sorry ass in here, and if you can do that, then I will PayPal you $50. And that Marcus kid too, because that Marcus kid's a moron too.
Oil has not.
So if someone can do that, you will get $50. $50 to go in there and tell them Premier Auto and Marcus to come in here, get their sorry asses in here. Anybody up for the challenge? Is anybody up for the challenge? Is anybody up for that challenge? $50 delivered to your PayPal. Yeah, it kind of looks real. Looks real. No one's willing to do that, huh? Of the tiny amount of people we have in here right now, no one's willing to do that. Only, only stream, not bashing others.
That's it.
Oh,
Yeah, look at that.
we bash you because rightfully need to be bashed.
Close bullish. In this situation, I would have closed positions probably, right? Because now it's starting to look at range. It's starting to look at resistance been formed there, and support has been formed. So there's no sells until we actually break below the support here. So let's wait for that to happen, and then that's when we're gonna execute on sells.
Good vibes here.
Right, but be patient with that.
Good vibes here. I mean, good vibes and losing. That's hilarious. That's just hilarious. Good vibes in here. If good vibes is losing, constantly losing, then yeah, you got good vibes. The only stream not bashing other traders. This was less good vibes in here. Good vibes in here. Vibes as in losing your ass all the time. Is that what good vibes are?
We're breaking the lows. I would take that. I think though, what's gonna happen here though, is you're gonna get the 1 hour candle.
Oh, there's Johnny too. Johnny. Oh, we love you, Johnny.
And you might get the 1 hour starter play instead.
We love you, Johnny. We love you. Love you, Johnny.
You know what I mean? So then it'll be the last 1 hour candle on the 4 hour candle.
One of the morons from his stream, Johnny.
Support, which I highly believe it will continue down within this 1 hour candle here. With the 80 AM volume, near session open, it should be clean to drive down here.
One of the morons, Johnny.
So let's see if we can get that here. Let's see, guys.
Do you see what this is, Johnny? This is called a live account. Live trades in it. The stream is here. Not hiding behind TradingView. Not hiding behind TradingView.
Well, not fire
it's the hateful 10-man stream. Oh, it's the hateful 10-man stream. Good job, man. He's like, it's the hateful 10-man stream. Oh, it's the hateful 10-man stream.
Rest of the course, end of the month. I'm trying, bro. The rest of the course is gonna be like all webinars, pretty much. All like webinars or like simulation sessions. It's gonna be the longest part of the course.
Oh,
like
poor Johnny.
Video from there on will be like an hour plus.
Poor Johnny.
It's gonna be another like 4 or 5 hours into that course, probably.
Oh, look at him. He's so wonderful. Johnny is so wonderful. Look, Johnny. Johnny's being a little bitch right now because Johnny's a little bitch. Look at this. This is perfect. Johnny. He lies so much. It's unreal. He says he doesn't block people. Actually, we just...
We're not bashing our traders. I agree.
Look at that. Oh, Johnny.
Agree, man.
Poor Johnny.
Keep the vibes up.
Poor Johnny.
Vibe out and that's it.
Poor Johnny.
What's up, man?
I don't think he was actually blocked.
It's you versus the markets, not you versus the other guy versus the markets, you know?
I don't think he was actually blocked.
When you add the other guy or anyone else into play, it makes trading a lot more complex, harder than it already is.
I don't think he was blocked.
Trading's not hard. Trading's so easy.
Samurai blocked him.
Yeah, I think we just have a good moderate team here. They can't just let me do what I want to do, or let me do what I gotta do, and they just kind of block up the noise.
They're pussies.
Like I didn't see what happened there. What happened there? Message deleted. I didn't know what happened.
They do it because they're pussies. Like Samurai FX is a pussy too. Paid me for my services too.
Check 30 minute. Waiting for resistance to form at 150. 150.
Johnny. Oh,
yeah,
Johnny.
Right there.
Johnny, it's so sad. It's just so sad, Johnny. I feel bad for you. All right, let's see what we got here.
Yeah, he said, Don won't block you. I'm living proof that he won't.
I saw. I read it.
Samurai paid for to be in my class.
Yeah,
he talks to me all the time.
Mods are a huge thing in the community. Mods taking care of everything.
Johnny. I don't think Johnny got blocked. Actually, I think he got timed out.
When I first came on here, Jimmy was like the hack. He was just slicing everybody.
Soccer ball, yeah. Jimmy retired though. What up, Wixon? How you doing, bro? How's it going over there?
Doing good. Doing good. What's the deal?
What's the deal? I got one break-even trade today on GG Sales earlier.
Yeah, because you don't know how to trade.
There's 1 hour starter play here.
Because you don't know how to trade.
Yeah, I'm looking for the seller here.
Yeah, on 1 hour. It should be clean.
Because you tried.
The 4 hour is very clean.
You literally tried to sell into
Perfect.
a bottom. They tried to sell down here on the GJ, and you sold into a major support level.
Not doing this on Twitch. I kind of wish I did on Twitch
See
instead.
this?
Because then, you know, we can have all the emotes and all that good stuff.
See that right there?
And
he sold into a bottom.
That'll make the stream a lot more fun, but
there's
YouTube,
you should be selling.
Becomes a better streaming platform, which I doubt, but
should be selling up here. But he was selling a major support level because they don't know, they don't know how to trade.
Unless they make a huge, like, you know, turn a different category for streaming,
and then they try and tell us that they don't sell bottoms, sell tops.
No trade on Twitch. No, people do trade on Twitch. There's a lot more stock traders, and I don't know.
You don't sell bottoms.
Me personally, I don't watch any other streamer. I don't watch any other trading streamer. I don't really.
So is anyone gonna take the $50
I follow them on Instagram,
to
but
get
I'm not
those
like
two?
Following them to a point where
to get Premier Auto in here.
Obviously, go on my daily stream and pop off after. I don't really look at charts after or do anything Forex related.
So again, just tell us how we're wrong. Tell us that we're wrong.
Who trades you on Twitch?
They sell bottoms. They sell bottoms.
This thing, I don't know.
Tell me how I'm wrong.
I don't really go on Twitch for trading. I go on Twitch to watch like my stuff.
Tell me how we're wrong.
XQC or like
We're not wrong. You know we're not wrong. They sell bottoms.
Let's see. I mean, Symphony. Like I watch a lot of Warzone, so.
How am I wrong? How am I saying something that's not completely true about telling them that they sell bottoms? Because that's exactly what they do. But somehow it's just funny. They sell bottoms. That's exactly what they do. And again, the one time he's had to trade where he can't hide behind trading view. How did that go? Play that again. Do we need to play that again? Do we need to play his trading nut challenge? Do we need to play that one again? To play his trading nut. The trading nut challenge. Problem is when you have to trade like that, when you trade the way they're trading, actually have to do it in front of an audience, and you realize you can't trade in front of an audience. That's what happens. Because it's one of the most ridiculous way to trade is the way they trade. They claim that it's 85% accurate. It's pretty fun. We could go to this too if you want, because that's before I got banned from Trading Nuts platform. There's me right there. Got 3.27 and I did it. Got 3.27. I was 4th on leaderboard. Down here, Paul. He would be. He was minus 2.7. Be down here. It's me right here. Be controller. Controller. Because when you actually have to trade in front of an audience and you can't hide trading view. Can't trading view to trade for an audience. That's where you go right there down at the bottom. That's me up here. Circle that right there. Oh, you shouldn't go after me. He's only 20 years old. I don't give a fuck. He's an idiot. And people follow him. It's me right there. There would be controller there. Paul. Just saying. I did it twice. I did that twice. I got above 3% twice. I got above 3% twice. You have to actually trade in public. That's what happens. So, and the problem is people pay attention to these people. That's the frustrating thing is people pay attention to these people. So no one's gonna take the $50 and tell Premier to. No one's gonna
You
take
guys
the
see how
$50.
like we're not guessing? Like we're going off of just what we see. Like we're not guessing this, you know. Like it's
Alright.
all based off of what we see here. We break above here, it might pop up towards here. 150,
It's
110.
gonna take the $50. All right. Well, have a good. Just wanted to come. Fun. Y'all have a good day. The $50 will do it.